right now, and I'm coming to you live with the sound of light. This is the third week, really the second one. The first one was a lost replay, but I'm happy to be here, and I'm excited to offer this service to you every single week. I am going to be channeling. I am going to be opening up as a vessel for light and encoded information that rides on that light to come into you, to come into your heart space, to come into your field and to transform you and to uplift you. So I'm at Cheyenne Mountain Park right now, coming to you live. This is a subscription service that I'm starting, but the first 10 minutes are always going to be available to anyone who wants to tune in, live or on replay. I don't know if the wind is going to affect how you can hear me, so just hoping that it's not too bad. Maybe I can sit down here and get a little bit of cover. So my name is Kairos Alana Deus, the Light of God Awakening, and guys, every single week that I'm coming to you, I want to get more and more real. I want to get more and more authentic. That's something that light language does and that I discuss a lot in my online course, Set Ablaze, which you can sign up for through my link in my bio. I talk a lot about being genuine, being authentic, letting go of limitations, conditioning, expectations, and just absolutely getting into the flow. I might be checking on my little baby here who's sleeping, just to let you know. So, yeah, let me do that before we get started with the channeling. Alright, he seems to be doing okay. So for this, light language is the language of all. It draws from all dimensions, all streams out there in the universe, and it comes through in different tones, different sounding languages. It's really the language of your own higher self, your own multidimensional self, your true divine nature coming through for the now moment. So go ahead and get into a space of relaxation and just listen with your heart. Listen with your heart. Let these tones and words and messages integrate into your being, and let go of the mind and any kind of judgment that the mind would want to put on what you're hearing. And good to see you guys. I'm excited to get started. I see a couple more people joining, so we're just about to receive the light language transmission for this week. You okay, baby? All right. Here we go. Sadhu he Adama, Sadhu he Ama, Hakori. Inamohada suru kuriadra sit aro koroberiandra sit ishnu. Mane nesirukutri nishnia murukutri tarasru brukutrinda ak ami brundr usudia bambamba. My child, you've been looking for where you fit. You've been asking, where do I fit? How do I fit? But the truth is that you do not have to fit anywhere. It is the other way around. For what comes into your life is fitting around you. It is time to shift a paradigm to a totally new paradigm where you bring what is necessary to the planet, where you are always fitting. You are always fitting. Masir ushi ik avam niena asru under usu. Sometimes it feels uncomfortable. And you think, how am I fitting right now? You are judging by so many different stipulations that society and those that you look to for validation have put on you. When really you, as you are, untouched, unfiltered, is so what this planet needs, is so fitting. You always fit, dear one. Your heart. Maniha. Beating with the heart of this planet. Just feel into your heart space right now. I hear my little one waking up. Just take a deep breath and integrate that. Hey, cutie. Come here. You wanna join Mama? You wanna join Mama? Oh no, you're crying. Come. Thank you all. Sariara. Hakuru subriedra ansuru prukutru sundu utu. Vanda sotu utu, majini itria sarukutra ina anzo, azihan, mojane, na hokorosu. Miria sarukutra sundu uru uri anta asundu uru, barian suru. So often we wait for everything to line up in our minds before we want to take the first step. Sari brukutra sundu uru but sometimes when you are blazing a trail through the fog and through the dark, the only thing that you can see is the step in front of you. Dahin suru ukuru. If you have heard this before and it is coming again, take the moment, take the time to really, I'm feeling this really strong, to find the details of this one step that's in front of you right now in this moment. What is that one step that is calling to your heart, that is asking you, come, step here, and to find those details. Okay, I'm just gonna do a final blast here for that next step to be so clear for each of us, and for us to be given courage to take it, to trust, and to have confidence in living in flow in the now moment. Opening our hearts. Si ho ha ha hayakin hayakin ayasoni iudora vimasu norai Arakseda tameni Zomohiravam Nahiravam Just taking a deep breath, integrating. We give gratitude to all those who are in the unseen realms working on our behalf to live our fullest expression in complete alignment and harmony. We trust, and in that trust we take the action of taking that step that has been revealed and is becoming more and more clear every second. I'm so grateful for you guys who have tuned in now and on replay. I'm so grateful that you are participating in this life on planet Earth. We are this planet. We are the neurons of her mind and the consciousness of her soul. Stay connected, my friends. Ground. Give yourself endless and unconditional grace. I love each and every one of you so much. I see you. I love you. I am you. We are the light. If you want to subscribe and see the full hour-long blast every week, go ahead and go to setablaze.org/soundoflightlive. I'll be fixing the mobile site, but the one on the computer is up and running. Thank you to Tattoo Magic Girl, that Tattoo Magic Girl. Thank you, it is done. Thank you, Borneo Pearls. Thank you, everybody who joined and will join. I love you all. Have a great day. Namaste.